This week's lesson, which is the last two types of promotion for component 3 aim A, we're going to be looking at public relations and direct marketing.
This lesson is going to focus on public relations.
The learning intentions for today's lesson are to identify the different types of public relations and direct marketing and the purpose of these, to analyse the benefits and drawbacks of different types of public relation and direct marketing, and to apply this to an enterprise scenario and give a justification. The last two types of promotion for component 3 aim A, which are public relations and direct marketing. Public relations, often referred to as PR, involves building and maintaining an enterprise's reputation and its image through the media. The purpose of it is to encourage positive views of the enterprise among the general public and other organisations, to encourage positive publicity through the media, and to protect or enhance the brand image. My question for you is, why do you think an enterprise needs to enhance its brand image? Write your answer in the box below. The question, I want you to think about why businesses might use footballers or football teams, for an example, to enhance its brand image. So when we're talking about brand image, we're talking about the thing, the logo or the slogan or an image which represents a business. And why do businesses need to get that out there? So, for example, for footballers and football matches, lots of people watch football matches, lots of people support football in the UK. So by a business promoting their logo on a football shirt, that's making their brand image more popular with potential customers and people that watch football. Public relation activities include press releases, which is where an enterprise will release a publication issued to the media, giving information about their business or products. Sponsorship, which is where an enterprise will sponsor an individual, a team, or an event to increase awareness of the brand. And exhibitions, an enterprise will take part in an event where businesses like them are selling their products. What I would like you to do is research the 3 different types of PR that we have just talked about. And you need to include in the table a definition of each one, include what it is, why it's used by the enterprises, and how it might benefit them. And then I want you to find some specific examples of each one. So where might you find this type of PR? Can you think of real life examples? I'm going to talk you through the first type of PR method, which is press release, to help you fill in the boxes. So the red box, you need to include a definition. So you could say, a press release is an article that businesses publish in newspapers to improve awareness of their business. It's used by enterprises because it increases awareness of their business and lets potential customers know what they're about, their values, and what they kind of sell. And it benefits them because increasing this awareness of the business will hopefully increase sales. So that's your red box. For the blue box, you need to include examples. So I mentioned earlier in newspapers, blogs, could be in a magazine, it could be on their website, those kinds of things. And you need to do the same for sponsorship and exhibitions as well. I've colour coded the different boxes so it's easier for you to see. So sponsorship is purple and orange, and then exhibitions is yellow and green. Now what I would like you to do is find an example of sponsorship of a business of your choice. It could be your favourite sports team, celebrity or TV programme, and I want you to explain how it gives the business a positive image or reputation. How does the sponsorship help to promote the business? I want you to find an image of the chosen sponsorship that you've decided to look at, and how did it affect the awareness of the brand? When answering the questions, think about how the sponsorship the business through this person, sports team, or TV program has impacted on the popularity of the business, whether it's given it a good reputation, whether it's made it more well known. So think about things like that, and also think about whether it's been a positive effect or a negative effect. To help you answer the questions, I'm going to give you an example for each question. So for the first one, a business working with a sports team, for example, that might give the business a positive reputation because a lot of people, for example, football, a lot of people follow football. And if your business is associated with football, that's going to give you a positive image, and that's going to make people who follow that football team associate that with your business. And that's why it gives it a positive image, especially if that team is popular and well liked by a lot of people. How does business sponsorship help to promote the business? So sponsorship is similar. If a business is sponsoring a TV program, for example, every time that TV program comes on, your advert's there, your brand's there, your name's there. So that's going to help to promote the business, and it's going to increase the awareness of the brand, which is the fourth question. So if you as a business work with a celebrity, how are they going to promote your business? How is that going to increase the awareness of the brand? So they might use social media. So for example, a celebrity might post a product that they've used in your business, and they might say, this is really good and would recommend it. And that's how it increases awareness of the brand. And if celebrities and people that customers look up to are wearing the brand, then that's going to increase the awareness of the brand overall. Thanks for completing this week's lesson. There'll be a quiz uploaded on Friday as normal to complete after the lesson. I just wanted to say thank you for all your hard work so far. This is unfortunately my last week at HLC, so I just wanted to say well done to all those who have been completing the work. You've done fantastically, and best of luck for the future.